Forget the rumors about a folding iPhone or a radical new MacBook. The biggest shock of 2026 is actually about a device that is already sitting right under your television. Apple has been hiding a massive secret, and it is about to change your living room forever. For over 3 years, the Apple TV has been completely ignored. It has been stuck in the past. But right now, huge batches of a brand new, wildly powerful Apple TV are sitting in secret warehouses. They are boxed up and ready to ship. The release date is no longer a distant dream. It is happening right now, and the upgrades are so massive they might actually kill off cheap streaming sticks completely. If you care at all about watching movies, playing games, or building a smart home, you need to hear this. The problem with the current Apple TV is the brain inside of it. It uses the exact same A15 chip that powered the iPhone 13. That is ancient technology in the fast-moving tech world. People have been confused for years about why Apple refused to update it. Leakers kept promising a new version, and Apple kept delaying it. But the delay was intentional. Apple was not just being lazy. They were waiting for the biggest software leap in their entire history. They were waiting for Apple Intelligence. You see, the next massive update coming at WWDC 2026 is tvOS 27. This operating system is going to be completely driven by a brand new, super smart Siri. Apple wants this genius-level AI to control your entire home ecosystem. The massive issue is that the old A15 chip inside the current Apple TV cannot run Apple Intelligence. It physically lacks the power. So, to launch this new software, Apple absolutely must launch new hardware. This leads us to the heart of the new machine. The 2026 Apple TV is getting an unbelievable brain transplant. The latest reliable industry leaks confirm it will feature the powerful A17 Pro chip. This is exactly what Apple usually does. They take a slightly older premium chip and put it into their TV boxes to keep the price down. But the A17 Pro is an absolute monster. Specifically, we are expecting the version used in the recent iPad mini. It features a 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU. That is more power than most people have in their daily laptops, and Apple is stuffing it into a tiny black box for your television. But a fast processor is useless for AI without memory. Apple Intelligence strictly demands at least 8 gigabytes of RAM to function. Because of this strict requirement, the new Apple TV is guaranteed to double its memory capacity. This combination of the A17 Pro and massive RAM means zero lag, instant voice commands, and a Siri that actually understands what you're trying to find. Because of this massive software push, the release date is right around the corner. Top-tier leaker Mark Gurman has already revealed that the new units are manufactured and waiting. We're looking at 2 highly realistic launch windows. The first is a silent drop. Apple could send out a simple press release any day now. You might just refresh the Apple Store tomorrow and see it available for purchase. The second, and perhaps most likely option, is a launch at WWDC 2026. Apple will reveal tvOS 27, show off the crazy new AI features, and tell developers they can buy the new box today. Software developers desperately need this new hardware to build their apps before the fall. Apple simply cannot wait until September. The launch is imminent. There's also a massive hidden feature that nobody is talking about enough: gaming. The A17 Pro chip was Apple's very first mobile processor to support hardware-accelerated ray tracing. That is the crazy lighting technology used in modern gaming consoles like the PS5. If Apple decides to push Apple Arcade, or if they bring more massive AAA games to the Apple TV, this thing could become a secret gaming console. If they go the gaming route, expect to see the storage jump from the standard 64 gigabytes up to 128 or even 256 gigabytes. They might even keep the physical design exactly the same to save money, though we could see a switch to recycled aluminum for better cooling. For movie lovers, you can also expect the absolute latest Dolby support and HDMI pass-through for perfect, uncompressed theater audio. And the best part is the price. Because they are reusing an older chip design, the price is expected to stay exactly the same, starting around $140. In my opinion, This is the most exciting home product Plea has made in years. The Apple TV has always felt a little overpriced for just watching Netflix. But by turning it into an AI powerhouse and a potential gaming console for under $150, it becomes an absolute steal. The new Siri integration alone will completely fix the awful experience of searching for movies with a remote. It is a brilliant strategy by Apple to dominate the living room. What do you guys think about this massive upgrade? Are you buying one on launch day? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe, share the video with your friends, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.